guys, Dominique here. Look at me, I'm back. Thank you for all of your love and support and everyone who commented and has followed me on Instagram and sent me well wishes. I cannot believe how much support I've gotten through my hiatus from YouTube. It's amazing, and I really appreciate each and every one of you that reached out to me, and I'm very, very grateful that you guys have stuck with me through this journey. But another thank you to my amazing husband and my mother and father-in-law for all of their support through this whole thing. And my husband, even, he stayed inside for a whole week. And I don't talk about him a lot, but he is a doer just like I am, and he doesn't do well sitting on the couch and staying inside and all of that stuff. He wants to be outside, working in the yard, working in the shop. And he managed to stay with me by my side nonstop for an entire week before he had to, for his own well-being, start working in the yard again. He's been doing a lot of side work, so he's outside working on trucks and equipment in the driveway or in the garage, and he's just a phone call away if I need him. But he did manage to stay in the house for a whole week, which I feel like is really impressive. But I'm feeling really well. I still have some pain, which is normal, but I'm gonna be up and running pretty soon. If I didn't have a huge reason, the baby and then my family, to stay home, I would be ready to go back to work now. Still a little bit sore, but I feel really good. The baby, he's doing really well. He's really happy. He's super easy. He eats and he sleeps and he poops, and that is about it. He stays awake for a few hours at a time now, and it's really a lot of fun. And he's asleep right now. He's just a few feet away from me, sound asleep. Super easy baby, makes it a whole lot easier to having two older kids and an easy baby. So we're really enjoying our time at home. When he was born, he was 6 pounds, 11 ounces, and 19 inches long. So obviously you guys are all thinking back to what you commented on my last video and wondering if you won or not. The winner is Bill Moran. He commented 6 pounds, 14 ounces, and 21 inches. So he was the closest by far. Everybody was under the impression that I was gonna have a huge baby, and luckily I didn't, because having a small baby is a lot easier. But Bill, if you want to drop me an email, in the description below this is my email address, and you just send me your mailing address and what size of sweatshirt you want, and I will take care of the rest. Hopefully I'll have it out on Monday or Tuesday, and you can get it by the end of next week. So Bill, I will also comment back on the comment you posted on my last video, so hopefully you do get this notification so you can send me that email. Everybody's been asking me what I've been up to. I've just been basically hanging out at the house with the kids and the baby, doing homeschool stuff, and I just started cooking last week, and I'm about ready. Well, right now I'm going to cook another batch of the chicken noodle soup that I was making during the live stream almost a month ago, my last live stream. All right, guys, so chicken breast, just a couple of them. Just right in the crock pot. Thyme and bay leaves, they want fresh. I don't have fresh. Oh well. Garlic, 3 cloves. The recipe is gonna be below in the description of the video. Rosemary is the only thing I have that's fresh. Just throw that in there, easy. And then onions, carrots, and celery, all right in the crock pot. Now the contents of the crock pot are not gonna look fancy at all, but so once you guys take a look here, see, pretty easy. Salt and pepper. Usually I add some at the beginning, and then once it's actually all cooked, I add more, depending on how it tastes to me. And then it says 10 cups, but obviously for those of you that can do math, this is 12 cups here. I just put all 12 cups in there. I don't worry about it. So you just pour all 3 of these in here and cook it for 6 hours. Easy. But like I said, the recipe is in the description below. It's super easy. I'm sure that anybody can do this. But okay, well, back to the rest of the video. All right, so that's the gist of it. And it's super easy, super good. You just put it in the crock pot and basically walk away from it, and then come back 6 hours later and shred up the chicken and add your noodles. Amazing. So everybody's probably been wondering what I'm going to be doing until I go back to work, and I've got a list of topics of things that I want to talk about with you guys and some questions that I want to answer. And so Monday or Tuesday, I'll have my next video posted, and it's gonna be on fears before starting truck driving school. I've had a few women who are interested in becoming truck drivers send me emails that they'd like to become truck drivers, but they're afraid, and they've asked my opinion on that. And I did reply to the emails, but I'm going to get a video out about it so that hopefully it can help some other drivers, male and female. Especially women, though, they have a tendency to be afraid that because society thinks that women are bad drivers, that they're not going to do well in truck driving school. But the thing that I always say is that it doesn't matter your gender, whether you're going to be good or not. You're either a good driver or a bad driver, and it's all about whether you're willing to learn and whether you're willing to put in the effort you need to be successful. And I'm sure that everybody understands that. But so I guess that's about it. Oh, very important. So if you guys have been following me from the beginning, you guys know that the first other truck driving YouTube channel that I got linked up with was Josh from This Guy Trucks. He's a really cool dude. He has some really funny stories. He roasted me in the beginning to help promote my channel when I only had about 40 subscribers. And so he just bought his first truck, and he is now an owner-operator, and I'm really proud of him. I'm really happy for him. I didn't even realize until he had announced on one of his videos there was something that he was interested in. But so huge shout out to Josh, and congratulations on getting your first truck. The company he worked for right before he bought the truck posted a really awesome professionally produced video of Josh and his career path, and it's amazing. So I'm gonna share that on my community page, and hopefully you guys check it out, and I will see you guys next time. Thanks. Bye.